continuation with respect to video 1, we'll still discuss further with the other problems of projection of planes. So in this problem, it's a 30 degree, 60 degree set square of longest side of 100 mm long is in VP and 30 degree inclined to HP, while its surface is inclined at 45 degree to VP. You have to draw the projection. So here, initially, the lamina 100 mm long, it is resting on V and is in VP. So the lamina here it is in VP. So in the front you are going to get a 30 degree 60 degree set square. On the top view, if you are going to see, you are going to get a surface lamina line. So afterwards the surface is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So the line ABC, it is made inclined at 45 degree. Here A is visible, B is invisible. So B must be in the bracket. So in the second position, the 30 degree set square, it gets distorted. Afterwards, it is inclined. The longest side is 100 mm long, is in VP and 30 degree inclined to HP. So the A1 dash, B1 dash, it has to be placed at 30 degree inclination. Construct the second position of the 30 degree 60 degree set square. So if you draw the vertical projection lines, you'll be able to get the top view. So connect A1 dash to where A comes, connect C1 dash to where C comes, connect B1 dash to where B comes. So here it is 30 degree inclination layer is supposed to maintain for the A1 dash, B1 dash. So like this you'll be able to get the required 30 degree 60 degree set square in the front and top view. So here, while reading the problem, first step you are supposed to consider surface is inclined to which plane you are supposed to see, whether it is inclined to HP or VP. So here it is VP. Assumption for each position, it is parallel to VP. So here V is still in the true shape in the front view, means when it goes to second hand position only, here it gets distorted, means the second position when the surface lamina makes inclined at 45 degree, this 30 degree 60 degree set square gets reduced to the second position. So like this you are supposed to go with the problem. We'll see another problem. A 30 degree 60 degree set square of longest side 100 mm long is in VP and its surface is inclined at 45 degree to VP. One of the longest side is 10 mm and the other end is 35 mm. So in the third position here the difference comes. So here the first two steps are very similar to the previous problem, but in the third step there is a slight difference of the longer side where it is going to rest. So one end of the long side is 10 mm above HP. Another end is at the distance of 10 mm above HP. So here maintaining the A1 dash and B1 dash distance from the XY line is important. So after placing the longest set, construct the line A1 dash, B1 dash, then complete the 30 degree 60 degree set square by measuring A1 C dash cut an arc, B1 dash and C1 dash cut another arc, so that you'll be able to get the required shape. Afterwards, transfer the projection lines to the initial position, that is the XY you transfer to the A and B, it will be same, C1 it will be here, so you have to extend it and you are supposed to be here. So like this you'll be able to get the final position of the 30 degree 60 degree set square. So once again, here when you read the problem, surface is inclined to which plane is supposed to count. Once again it is inclined to VP. Assumption for initial position, here it is parallel to VP, that is supposed to consider. So here which will be the true shape? In the front view it will be in the 30 degree 60 degree, will be in the true shape. So here second position this 30 degree set square will get distorted, and further if you see it gets placed the longer side at 35 mm distance and 10 mm distance, so that you will be able to get the final view. So like this, you'll be able to solve the problem.